this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. This is a great way to personalize your profile and showcase your taste in music. Do you want to show the world who you really are and what kind of music you love? This video is best for you. Before I start, make sure your Facebook app is up to date, and to do that, if you're an Android user, navigate to your Play Store. For those using iPhone, navigate to your App Store and make sure you've updated your Facebook. Then proceed to open. On your Facebook feed, proceed to click on the profile icon, then scroll down a little, then locate the About menu and click here. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate music under Edit Public Details. Then proceed to click the Add beside the music. In here you have a tons of music to choose from. You have the flexibility to choose which customized music you want to pick among the tons of options on the top here. Then you can also search the particular type of music that you want, or you can scroll through the various music that you want to pick, whether it's trending music or any other music that you want to pick. And to select the music, you just have to click on the music. Then you notice the music has been ticked. Then proceed to go back. Now under the music section, you notice the music that we just selected is here. Then you can navigate beside the music. You see the three ellipses here and click it. Then you can proceed to pin this music to your profile. Now anytime someone visits your profile, this music will autoplay on your profile and it gives the person a fresh experience whilst on your Facebook profile. And let's say later you have a change of mind and you want to remove it. All you need to do is to quickly navigate back to this interface, and beside this music icon you see this three ellipses again, then click there. Then you have the flexibility to unpin from your profile, or better, delete song from profile. Now this music has been deleted and we no longer have it on our profile. If you enjoyed this video, consider to hit the like and share it to your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.